time is it, Eddie?
Like 6 a.m.
It is 6:13 in the morning. And we're off to where?
That's very fun.
Alright guys, so we just got to Knott's Farm, and how you feeling?
Pretty good. These rides look pretty cool. I just hope we get to go on all of them. We got fast passes. So
yeah, we got our fast passes.
that should be pretty cool.
Yeah, we're walking to get on the first ride right now, and yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna get on rides, eat some good food, and maybe I could win her a little stuffed animal or something.
So we just finished our first ride. It was fun. What do you think?
That was cool.
We're still sitting on it right now. How's it going, babe?
It's pretty good. Pretty cool rides.
Yeah.
More wimpy ones though. I want to get on something that goes upside down.
We're waiting for the rest of our friends, I guess, to get out of this ride so we can all go on the roller coaster together. And we're waiting by the fast pass exit. And we're chilling here. Huh?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Are you zooming in on my face?
So guys, we just got off that ride right there.
Try not to take it.
It's crazy.
It was good though.
It was
I already took that Adrenaline,
cool.
so I don't want to mix it with anything.
Jerry's still talking. We're vlogging for our YouTube channel. We're going back to take a break and get medicine and get Dippin' Dots for Jerry.
And medicine.
And medicine. Yeah. How was that ride?
It was good. Really good.
The best one yet?
Yeah, best one so far.
I almost threw up. We just got off of it.
It was cool. It was really cool.
It was real cool. What you got there?
Lemon candy.
That's like your trademark.
Hmm.
Your thumbs up. I'm chilling. Rest time.
Hey guys, how's it going? We're here in the room with a bunch of idiots. Yeah, doing some pretty dumb stuff, and so far this trip is pretty cool. I like it, having a good time. Catch you guys in a few.
I'm planning on going back to the park
And ride some more rides.
and ride some rides.
Just like the video right there.
I got super sick. Babe.
What do you mean, how do I vlog? What are you talking about, bro?
Wasn't he just
The frustration.
Yeah, I was giving. Never forget about those hotels.
So we're in the candy store right now.
Oh yeah, we're gonna buy some huge gummy bears.
And what are you guys gonna do?
We're gonna like race to eat them, like the fastest, and then
What are you eating?
giant gummy bears. They're like 2 pounds. Not really.
Yep, they're gonna be
Oh,
throwing up.
And
They
then
only have
these
one
are super
restroom,
sour.
and they're getting these sour things.
I like apple.
Wait, is this powder? Oh no, it's
Is that watermelon?
The watermelon.
I got sour apple.
You're my sour apple.
Dude.
Dang, the moves right here.
Moves.
The master.
That was pretty good.
It makes me want to eat all this candy and be fat. We just got back to the park.
Hey guys, what's up? Going good so far.
We just got back.
We're gonna get on rides. It's gonna be cool. And we're waiting on Cherry.
What's up, Alpha Senpai here? We're here at Knott Farm. We're kicking it. About going all the rides.
Oh, it's 6:30, so this place closes at 10, so
We out here.
we're gonna stay until pretty late.
Oh, no. Dirty. We just got off, or we're still on the ride?
It was a really good ride.
It's a cool ride.
We're all gonna go on this ride called Ghost Rider, and it's gonna be good.
Look at Jerry.
Hey Jerry.
How was the ride, guys?
It was really short.
It was really short?
Really short and it sucked. We need to do longer.
Hey, but you look good on that pony.
I know, my dinner bone really likes me.
So we're walking back from the park for the night.
We're just about done. We're gonna go back. We're gonna wait till everyone gets there. Then we're gonna get some pizza, play some cool games, do some weird little challenges. We'll
Play
make sure to
Bean
record it.
Boozled.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to devour a gummy bear.
Yep.
Eat some sour stuff. It should be cool. Stay tuned.
Yep. This is our hotel.
Yeah, it looks cool.
It's a real nice.
It's super nice. And
I'd recommend staying here.
yeah,
If you ever come to Knott's, which I would recommend also.
yeah.
So how was your day?
That was pretty cool. We had fast passes, so we didn't wait a lot. My feet didn't really hurt. I liked it so far.
Uh-huh.
And I'm just looking forward to playing games and having a good time.
You're tired?
I'm pooped. I'm really tired.
Me too. Have I ever what?
Stood in an elevator backwards.
No.
You ready?
Okay. No. I guess we're going to do first. What a jerk.
Okay.
Jerk. Have you done that? Welcome to our room. Do something cool.
Somebody at the end of the hall.
So what? So what? Oh, look at that.
I would have done it longer, but I didn't want to.
Sure. We'll check back in soon.
Chugging it, right?
Okay, these losers are chugging like some sour test tube type stuff. Eddie, show them.
Oh.
They're chugging all of that. These are losers.
I just licked a little wrapper too.
Oh, fuck me, dude.
Cheers. 5, 4,
I'm gonna throw up.
3, 2. Cheers, lads. 1.
Fuck me, dude.
I'm burning.
Don't smile.
Don't smile.
Ew.
Oh, fuck.
Our apple was really strong. This smells like, I don't know what
It smells really strong.
It smells like lollipops they give you at a doctor's office.
Yes. Yes.
But hey, whoever deep throats the most.
Ready?
Alright, 3,
Last one.
2, 1.
Oh, it's so sick! It's so sick. Oh my god, it's like tri-tip.
What is going on?
I feel like I have rubber cement in my mouth.
Ew. Oh, he got all the red part off.
We cannot chill all that.
Dre wasted $20 on that to spit it into that bag.
To be completely
quit.
fair, this thing was so tough. Like, this is not even an actual gummy bear. This is like a rubber cement bear. He said it perfectly. This thing, I don't know what they made it out of, but not actual gummy bear. Not actual gummy bear.
$20
These things
wasted.
are a piece of Alright, do not recommend this.
Pretty close.
Tastes like garbage. What the heck?
I think
I wanna
Jonathan
I'm done, but I think his is cleaner though. His is cleaner.
Oh, he's not done chewing though.
I think. Alright, that's it.
So Jonathan won. Eddie sucks.
I'll be in the bathroom. Just give me.
Okay, guys. So it's 9 a.m. ish on Sunday, and we just woke up, and we're leaving our hotel. We're gonna go home, grab something to eat on the way, and sleep the rest of the day because I'm pooped.
Hey guys, so the vlogs are basically over. We just got back home. We're tired. We're gonna take a little time to relax. What'd you think of the trip?
That was pretty cool. Hope we do it again pretty soon. It was a fun time with fun friends and everything. What'd you think?
I thought it was pretty good. Tucker, what'd you think? What'd you think?
It's like, I didn't go food.
But yeah, it was good. We got some good times, good food. Hopefully you guys thought the stuff we did was cool or funny or at least interesting. And we'll try to do it again soon. If not, until then, take it away.
Like and subscribe, share, and get our name out there. Bye.
Peace.